So right here under the irises, I have the Bonfire Patio peach, and it does have little peaches right here. Really cute, but it also has suckers, and these suckers need to come off because it looks messy and unsightly, and these are like peeking up through the top, and it takes away from the beauty of the shape and the color. So that's what I'm going to cut next. Down here past the cute little peaches, you can see I think it's grafted probably, but this like trunk there's nothing growing from it except for these things, so I want to get them off. Still have this, oh, this tag is hurting it, I should get that off there. Well, suffocating it, sorry. Okay, so that's better. Good thing I got down here. So yeah, you can see the sprout is sprouting from the trunk down here, so it's kind of hard to pull off. So I'm going to use these to cut there, and that's it. There. There's only like 4 or 5 branches. Do you think that looks much better? The leaves on this are so cool. They're like elongated and burgundy with a little bit of a green tinge.